If I would have had the information that I just released in my brand new publication over on my Gumroad store, I would have made it to 100K twice as fast, or I would have cut the time in half to get to my first 100K online easily with the information inside of the LDT model. Check it out over at Gumroad, the LDT model, your next first step to making money online. The idea and the concept of the learn, do, teach model or method, learn, do, teach, the LDT model, is what I do here whenever I upload content on YouTube. Also have a Facebook group, more information about that inside of the report, link in the description. But understand that almost or coming up on 14,000 subscribers here on 30 Minute Marketing, essentially of me just learning and then sharing what I learn by doing things and then coming back and saying, you know what, this would make a really great video. Look at my channel analytics, almost $25,000, a quarter of the way to 100K. Now, I make money elsewhere online. I just don't rely on AdSense here on this YouTube channel. So understand that that number is just a portion or a piece of understanding the overall big picture of what it takes to build a profitable online business. But ultimately, inside of the LDT model, I've laid out exactly what you need to know. Looking back and saying, if I would have had this information when I started, I would have easily cut the time in half to my first 100K. Twice as fast is what I'm talking about. Understand again that I'm talking about showing you things that I learn and understand. For example, my top strategy. You need traffic to an offer, and then you need to put people on an email list. I talk about this all the time. Anybody that will listen to me, I tell them, start with traffic. Pick a topic, understand there's a few tools, there's some technology, and then you need the time to put in the effort to create consistent content. Then you will get to the point where you will start letting people know about an offer that ultimately will solve their problem. And then you'll take those people, you'll add them to an email list. You'll be able to automate all this and then profit and scale by simply taking the time to walk through the 9 steps. How did I get there? The LDT model. The LDT model put me in a position to learn and then do the things that I was learning and now teach those things. And if I would have had the information in the report, link in the description over my Gumroad shop, and I would have known how effective and how easy it is to share this information with the world as I learn it, as I do it, to essentially teach it and turn that into a product that I can then make money from. And the concept here is kind of meta because it's what I do every day. It's what I do daily here when I post content on YouTube. It's what I do daily when I post content over in my Facebook group. It's what I do daily. Every time I talk to someone, I talk to anyone and everyone just like you. We get on a call, they ask me, what do I need to do? I walk them through my top strategy and I show them the LDT model. And now I've broken that out and I put it in a very, very simplistic, it's a simple solution. It's pinpointed the problem that you have, the problem where you're looking to make money online. And now you have the exact strategy or the model that if I would have had it, I can just tell you right now, like I know for a fact that I would have got to my first 100K in half the time with this information. As long as you take action on it, I believe you can do the same thing. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here doing what I do when I do it here on this YouTube channel. I go out and I learn stuff. I go do the things that I've learned, and then I come back and I share it with you or I teach it. The LDT model, check it out. Link in the description. It's brand new. I just broke it out and I put it down into a simple, easy to follow, step-by-step model so you can do the exact same thing that I've done right here on this channel and other channels, and as well as learning other things about how to make money online. It is super simple to do. And if you doubt that you can do it, then you just need to grab the LDT model, take it for a test drive. If you're not satisfied, I'll give you your money back. I'm not worried about that because I know when you see the LDT model, it's going to open up a world to you that is open to me. Now understand what I'm talking about. It's so super simplistic. Go to YouTube and then type in my journey. And I'm giving you this here right now because I need you to understand that this is what it's about. When you are looking to make money online, the LDT model is going to lay it all out for you step by step in a 59-page PDF where I've laid everything out in a model. But it is this simple. If you want to start right now, just start letting people know about your journey, my journey. And you can see here that there are anything and everything. You could do my journey to, and you could put an underscore here, and then you could say a. My journey, my acne journey, my art journey, my about journey, my journey B, my journey by train, boxing, bodybuilding, basketball, my basic journey, my braces journey, my bulking journey. Then you just keep going through here and you understand that you don't have to focus in on what you think other people are doing. You simply have to watch what they're doing and then model it. Model it utilizing the LDT model by going out, studying the things that you're interested in, coming back after you have done those things to see how they work, the things that you've done you found success in, the things that you've done that you found failure in, and you simply share it or you teach it here on YouTube. It is the starting point. The starting point that you're looking for, the link in the description, it lays out the LDT model. It is ultimately the simplest thing that I've ever created that is so super simple and to the point that gets you started with this idea and this concept of how simple it is to make money online. All you need is a little bit of focus. Grab the LDT model, go through it. Let me know what you think in the comments if you have any additional questions, but I've covered everything you need to know because right now, link in the description, check out the LDT model. And like I said, if you don't like it, I'll give you your money back. It's that simple. All right. Thanks for watching this one and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.